Good morning. My blog is about the view of the flooded uh, hectares of the land after a half day of heavy rains and one day rain showers. So I just want to show the proof why this land is not that profitable out of the moment because of the problem about the floods, heavy rains, and typhoons. We tried to increase the perimeter before in order for us to solve at least the problem here at the end of this area, because we are at the end and it's like a catch basin. I can see that there's a slow movement of this flood to the river. My assumption is that it's because the river is full of remnants or rubbish that was not cleared or maintained cleanliness regularly. That I can see the flow of the river is slow, because if it is clean, it will flow fast to clear the flood on our land or in this area. Actually, besides the land near Villa, which is also part of our land before, and this part of Alajes are also land before, that only this few hectares of land were left to us was then affected by this flood. So there's some part of the government that should be acting upon on how to help solve this problem. And as for us, I've noticed that we need just to make our 3 meter wide higher. Yes, because we can see that we can still see the 3 perimeter very close to the flood distance to the elevation. So meaning we still have to make it higher, then maybe it can help to solve. And also we have to fix some more over there of our box culvert, and that time it's under already finished at the end part on the left side of the box culvert to overflow the water inside our lands. These things, there's a need for perseverance, endurance, and patience. And God is our greatest psalmist, and we are just His instrument of His saving power. And I think God is always there to give us wisdom and talent to help solve and to endure the beauty of this, and for helping, protecting this agricultural land that is loving the nature. And God we trust. Bye for now. God bless.